Crossbow with patented helicoil technology is designed from the ground up to be the most accurate and efficient crossbow ever made. Helicoil technology coils the cables away from the top and bottom of the cams in helical grooves. This keeps the cams perfectly balanced for amazing speed and downrange accuracy. Helicoil technology rotates the cams nearly 340 degrees, allowing the Raven to compress to a mere 6 inches wide when fully drawn. This also allows the string and arrow to float freely above the rail, eliminating unwanted friction for increased speed and supreme downrange accuracy. Helicoil technology, a revolutionary breakthrough for efficient, compact performance and rifle-like accuracy never achieved by any other crossbow.